going on this morning, family? It's your boy Black Feniks checking in. Got some beams. I got to drag out this corner back here. This pretty tight spot. There's an RV here. It's a big pile of rebar here, and I'm gonna probably go get another forklift and put a ball at the end of it and try to drag them out. But I don't have a lot of room to get back, so hopefully I can drag them out far enough to pick them up. These look like they might be about, I don't know, 40 foot, probably 30, 40 foot. So that's my task, and then get it through here. I got another conveyor table that I'm making, and we're gonna use these beams here to catch the rebar as it come off, as it falls onto the conveyor. So that's the goal. Hold on.